This is my quick devlog about how I'm trying to create a realistic wall with a concrete backing. So we've got a little wall here and you can see a sort of block of concrete that's behind it. Now I've got a little bit of a bug with my offsets, so I'll have to show you where exactly I'm firing. You get a little white dot. So let's just fire that. See the white dot there. Fire again and that brick's destroyed, and you can see that the other bricks are now kind of falling down as you'd expect from a real brick. So you can keep firing. Destroyed another brick, and that one's rolled over. Now I can start hitting the concrete behind the brick. You can see that the concrete starts to fail and starts to destroy, and you can see the rebar behind it. So this destructible brick, let me just show you what it consists of. So here we've got an individual sets of bricks, and these have all been generated, and they've been generated based on something called a cube wall, which is basically just the dimensions of a box collider. So you can see the box collider here, and this wall has been generated to fit within that box collider. Now the idea here is that if we take some of these bricks on the outer edge and we look down here, we can see that they've got a rigid body and they've got a box collider that's turned off. So the idea is that the outer collider detects the bullet coming in and decides which brick should be turned on, and trying to reduce the number of sort of active components. However, when a brick is engaged, then you can see here that the script has turned on its box collider and has created a destructible script. So you can now, this brick can now has hit points of its own and can be destroyed. And in that way, when a bullet comes through, it then comes into the collider for these gaps here. So it comes in through this collider. There's no brick behind it, and therefore the bullet is then passed on to the concrete, and then the concrete is hit. So that way, I'm toying with the idea that this is a more efficient way of constructing a larger wall, a larger concrete structure behind it, and try and reduce the number of kind of active physics components that Unity has to deal with. At least that's the idea. So anyway, that's the end of my devlog for today. Thanks.